Hello world, Frida Reba Darcy and Patricia O'Connor, and while we are enjoying our buds everywhere, and we are certainly enjoying our blooms, the winds are coming. They're calling for all kind of stuff this week. High winds starting now. The pool is already filling up with crap from the high winds, leaves and stuff. And you can hear the wind rustling through the trees. I'm going to have to keep an eye out. I want to make sure all our little things that got started do not get burned away. So yeah, but so far so good. It's always something.